Looking for faceless channel ideas for YouTube? Wondering how to create content without having to step in front of the camera? Well, it's easier than you think. Today, we're diving into the world of faceless YouTube channels and exploring 20 fantastic ideas you can use to start your own captivating channel. Commence with ASMR videos. ASMR, standing for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a feeling that certain individuals encounter upon hearing specific sounds. An excellent method to produce compelling material without revealing one's face. Just a high-quality microphone and a dash of creativity is all that's required. Next, ponder over initiating a gaming channel. It's noteworthy that gamers comprise some of the most prosperous YouTubers. The scope of sharing content is broad: walkthroughs, reviews, or valuable tips and tricks. Third, have you considered a cooking channel? Your focus can be on the recipes you're crafting and the methods you're employing. Your viewers will be so captivated by your gastronomical masterpieces that they won't even notice your absence. Fourth, have you considered launching a mystery or true crime channel? A significant number of viewers are attracted to compelling mysteries. Your fifth option would be to consider launching a podcast-style channel. Engage in conversations about compelling subjects, conduct interviews with intriguing individuals, or express your views on recent trends. Sixth, ponder over animation. If you possess a talent for sketching or creating animations, this could be an excellent match for you. Seventh, a channel dedicated to book critiques or book group discussions would be perfect. Exchange thoughts or initiate dialogues about the books you love. Eighth, there's always a thirst for educational content. Unleash your passion for a particular subject and spread your wisdom across the globe. Ninth, a DIY or tutorial channel can gain immense popularity. Distribute your knowledge and instruct others on how to accomplish tasks. 10th, think about starting a fitness or workout channel. You can share your workout techniques and advice on staying fit. The 11th option, maintaining a music-centric channel, can be a brilliant strategy. Distribute your own musical creations or instruct others on mastering a musical instrument. 12th, ponder over starting a travel channel. It provides a platform to share all your excursions, adventures, and worthwhile advice. 13th, initiating a product critique platform can be an excellent concept. Express your views on an array of products and guide others in making knowledgeable choices. 14th, think about starting a tech tutorial channel. Utilize your tech prowess to assist others in grasping intricate theories. 15th, a pet or animal channel can be a sure success. Upload clips featuring your pets or local wildlife. 16th, contemplate on creating a nature or outdoor channel. Display the splendor of the great outdoors. 17th, a news or current events channel could be perfect. Express your insights or perspectives on current happenings. 18th, a comedy or humor channel can really take off. Share your humorous tales or witty jokes. 19th, consider launching a science or research channel. Utilize it as a platform to disseminate your knowledge and assist others in comprehending intricate theories. Finally, as the 20th suggestion, think about starting a fashion or beauty channel. Provide your fashion or beauty tips to the audience. In conclusion, a plethora of alternatives are at your disposal if you're considering launching a YouTube channel. We have explored 20 concepts today, encompassing ASMR videos, gaming channels, cooking channels, mystery or true crime channels, podcast-style channels, animation channels, book review channels, educational channels, DIY channels, fitness channels, music channels, travel channels, product review channels, tech tutorial channels, pet channels, nature channels, news channels, science channels, and fashion channels. The cornerstone of triumph is your passion coupled with creativity. Therefore, select a concept that aligns with your interests and initiate the creative process. Best wishes.